Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming compatibility and prepping both devices. Check the Raize manual to verify wired or wireless CarPlay. Plug a quality lightning cable into your iPhone and enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Siri on the phone so the system can authenticate. Once done, turn the vehicle to accessory power. Do not start the engine yet. Now, on the head unit, choose the Phone or Setup menu. Make sure the unit is searching for new devices, because this begins the pairing handshake between the car and your iPhone. Next, pair the devices and activate CarPlay. On the head unit, select Bluetooth pairing, then accept the pairing code shown on your iPhone and the car screen. If you're using a wired connection, plug into the USB port marked with a phone or CarPlay icon so the system recognizes it as data. Make sure you allow CarPlay while iPhone is locked, otherwise the connection will be blocked. After connection, the head unit will show the CarPlay home screen. Arrange apps, if desired, using your phone settings for a tailored layout. To finish, test core functions. Play audio, start navigation, and place a call to confirm microphone and speaker routing. Adjust levels as needed in the head unit audio settings. If things still misbehave, make sure the car's firmware and your iPhone iOS are up to date, because version mismatches often break CarPlay. As one key troubleshooting tip, forget the car in your iPhone Bluetooth settings and reset network settings, then redo pairing. This clears stubborn handshakes and usually restores a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.